Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya. Gimana kabar teman-teman? Aku ada hadiah teman-teman. Ada hadiah dan saatnya kita unboxing ya. Ini hadiah apaan sih? Ada deh, ini hadiah untuk mengasah skill. Jadi aku dulu tuh bisa bikin baju sendiri ya. Dan lama banget vacuum nggak pernah pegang-pegang. Dan ini kemarin aku tuh di supermarket bilang ke suami, oh ada mesin jahit. Harganya nggak seberapa gitu. Habis itu suami ngecek online, aku dibelikan ini. Ya, ini model yang 4452. Tuh. Seperti ini. Oke, akan aku lihat dalamnya. Aku nyiapin mejanya ini meja bekas Karissa zaman dulu. Beberapa tahun lalu. Terus dia nggak mau, udah terlalu kecil. Aku taruh di basement. Dan kemarin aku bersihkan. Tetap aja dekil. Akhirnya aku cat, aku kasih warna grey ya. Nah ini suami aku belinya di online ya teman-teman. Ini mesin jahit aku yang kedua. Oke. Oh cuman gini aja. Ada sedikit oleh-oleh apa ini, semua surat-surat cinta. Oke, Panther, you want to go in the box ya. Ini wah, ini kak kucing bisa main-main ini kalau nggak ada covernya ya. Elektrik. Halo Kelly. Udah ringan aja ini. Warnanya kok ya sama grey dengan mejanya. Here the box. You can play, you can go in. Ternyata begini. Ayo. Mau bikin apa Mbak Ni? Sarung bantal? Beli aja kali. Bikin apa? Ya siapa tahu anakku mengasah skill gitu. Ini buat diinjek. Harus beli benang-benangnya dulu ya. Karena aku nggak ada benang-benang. Harus pakai kacamata ini. Ini bisa untuk aku. Ini akan aku taruh di bawah sini. Nanti dibaca. Udah gini aja ya. Pak D membelikan, oh ini yang buat ini, buat jepit lah apalah.
Do it.
Must be difficult.
How is it?
I don't know. Just like that.
Well, it's a good machine. I mean, the thing is, if you're doing curtains, you'd be bringing it. You know, the machine would be this way, and you'd be pulling the material. So you're not sewing against the wall with the needle.
I know, you need to little bit pull it here.
Yeah. I shall keep you downstairs.
I can put
here. Where's the book? Oh, right there.
the book already here.
No, where's the plug?
The plug under here.
No, but where's?
It's over there.
Huh? Oh yeah.
The plug is just here, that's
Oh
it.
yes, that's good.
And then the pressure here.
Once you press that.
I know.
Hey cats, don't get involved with that press.
The thing is, I need glasses and I need to read it.
Yeah, you do, but you just see if the power works. Press it. Just to see. No, don't. You might not want to do that.
No, of course the power work.
Well, show me. Turn it on. Press the button. Press the thing. It's a pedal.
I know.
Get it close and comfortable. Speeds and dials here and everything.
Yeah, this is like the stretch.
Oh yeah.
The things.
Yeah.
Put the stretch here and
Yeah.
connect. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, you'll be able to do some really neat stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want me make?
I want you to make me a. I want you to make a nice.
No, I cannot make a clothes. Okay.
No,
It's-
not clothes. I think
I make clothes before.
A cover for the cover for the because you can sew different materials like almost
Yeah, I
like
know.
thin leather.
Yeah, I need to buy so many things. I need to buy what I call benang.
Yeah.
What I call thread.
Oh, the thread. Does
Yeah,
it come with
thread. No, I have my own thread here, but this is not.
We have to get some kind of.
We need to go to Walmart.
Yeah, we haven't. That's the thing. I just got that for you because I want you to make some curtains as an end game.
Oh, the curtain. Are you sure? I
I
can
think you gotta
change.
keep this covered, honey. I don't want
I
the
know.
cats touching it and all that. Just keep putting the cover on it and keep it there.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah.
And the gray with the table gray.
Okay, make a red tablecloth. That's your first thing to make is a red tablecloth, okay?
For what?
For this, for under here.
No need.
No.
It's just.
Okay, well then maybe you need to change the paint.
No, I'm not change anything. It's fine.
Okay. Turn it up. Different things, yeah.
No,
Oh
it's-
yeah, degrees. Everything in
It's
different
the
settings.
Yeah. It's good. I like it. Yeah.
So I hope to make me a Winnipeg Jets jersey.
No, I'm not that
Okay, then
expert.
How about
I'm not that expert.
we need some cloth. I need some.
We have so many cloth.
There's so many cloths. I gotta clean this up here. It's a little dusty. Yeah, so it'd be nice-
Okay. What?
That'd be a nice little hobby for you.
Yeah, the thing is, I need to buy a wood still.
Wood for what?
I need to fix the bed. You want me to show you the
No,
bed?
I don't want you. I like the way it is. It's
No, need to fixing it. Come. The bed is this one.
wider.
This is all out already.
Yeah, okay.
So I need to fix this thing. I need to.
Okay. If you want to raise it up to.
Yeah.
Raise,
This one is
raise it up
nasty.
A foot. Raise it up a foot.
yeah. Less than 20, right, Panther?
Next week.
Panther, you don't fool around with this sewing machine, okay?
Next week, the week we'll get you some. Look at this chunky cat.
Okay, cat. Be careful. At night, you don't fool
They're
around.
gonna touch it. I don't think so.
They touching it, touching it.
They'll play with wires is what they'll do. The wires all need to be tied up.
Yeah, I need to unplug it. That's it. That's it. Hello, handsome. Handsome cat. Hello. Hello. Hello, Maddie. What's that? Do you want some? Aku unplug di sini juga. Dah. Dan ini akan aku tutup. Nanti beli benang. Di sini banyak itu apa namanya, peralatan untuk menjahit itu di Walmart, ada banyak banget. Nanti ya belanja di situ. Ya, beli benang, beli meteran dan sebagainya. Gini aja. Nanti oh ini ada sesuatu.